You guys see that? And he just came out with this. Hey besties, it's Becca. In today's video, we have a very exciting one. We are trying Xmondo's newly released product. He just literally released it like last week. Supernova Blonde Brightening Leave-In Conditioner plus a bond booster built in. And he just came out with this. I'm so excited. Let's get into the video right now. This is all my Xmondo products. I have tried a lot of the products on here on my channel that you can find. I'll actually link them all down below if you want. And I do have an Xmondo coupon code with 15% off if you guys want to shop on Xmondo if you like any of his products. It's cheaper on there than buying on Amazon and Sally's, I'm going to be honest, because you do get more authority on his website, and then you also get an additional 15%. My favorite is the Blonde Toning Leave-In Repair Foam, and I have used this so much, like it's like up to here. You want to know why it's my favorite? It's because as a blonde, we can get brassiness, like it can just appear out of nowhere. Like it is just so prominent sometimes. And if we're toning our hair with like peroxide and say we messed up, we missed a spot, or the toner is not lasting as long, you just pop this sucker in. It lasts up to like 3 washes, I believe, and then it comes right out depending on the shampoo you use. But it's a great solution if you don't want to damage your hair and get that like white platinum blonde hair. Trust me, okay? The videos are there to prove it. This is like gold. He really knows what he's doing when he is crafting his products. He gives you beautiful color and also repairing your hair at the same time. What could you ask for that's better than that? Blonde toning shampoo, which is amazing. Best shampoo I have ever used to counteract yellow. Do not use anything else, and it lasts you a very long time. Okay, I have that on my channel if you guys want to look at it. This is the blonde toning conditioner. You get a lot. Like this is my face. Like you see how much you get? And this one hydrates and tones to maintain a cool finish and softens your hair. We have the blonde toning mask, provides a rich, intense hydration, neutralizing brassy tones. Blonde toning leave-in foam, which we just talked about. It's amazing. It delivers an on-the-go toning correction with flexible hold and styling support. And of course, we have the brand new one, which he states here. It has the new logo right here. It's new. He just released it. Primes for styling, adds hydration. It has brightness and heat protection added to it. It's a toning power of low. We're gonna test it out. If you look at all the products here, you can see the level of strength of how much it's going to tone your hair. So all of them have like this bar here, right? This is the newly released one, so it is a low, it's a low power of toning. It'll still tone your hair, but it's a low power of toning. You guys can take a picture of that if you guys want. I'm gonna read the back of it. It is a spray, so that is good to know. This conditioning mist delivers a lightweight hydration, detangling while maintaining brightness in blonde, highlighted, or gray hair. How to use. Spray 12 inches away from and evenly coat damp hair. Brush through and style as usual. So let's crack this open. It is like a spray. So I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it. I'm not gonna do it towards my wall. I don't even know if it's purple. We're just gonna, so it is like a spray. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Get out of here, Bradmondo. The smell is absolutely amazing. It smells like I'm in some tropical beach, like coconut, Bahamas. I could use it as a body mist. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a foam, I want to say, but it's more of a spray. I'll be right back with some damp hair. Xmondo needs to come out with a bleach. Okay, I've been saying this in my last video. Xmondo needs to do it because honestly, it would probably be amazing. We are experimenting with this. It does show that it is a low toning formula. but it does tone. This is mainly for your like daily usage because it does have a heat protection in it and it does have the bond booster in it. It's just going to add hydration and brightness, and it just has those extra bonuses to basically be the best product out there. You don't need to wash this out when you do apply. I made sure I really read my information regarding this product. I always like to give you guys all the information that you need on every product. So you're just going to put this through your hair. You can get a lot of wet brushes like this from a lot of stores, like anywhere, guys, like Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, like CVS. I think that's what Americans they use. Believe it or not, we did a bleaching and a bleach bath, guys, and I used the Ion Cream Bleach because everyone was wanting me to try it. And let me tell you, it's horrible. I couldn't even put my hands through my fingers through my hair. That's how awful it was to rinse the bleach out. I'm glad I did use it though, because I've never used it and I always try to stay away from Ion. I don't know, I've never had, Ion just doesn't work good on my hair. It maybe works great on your hair, but for my hair, Ion has never, like the colors, they never stick to my hair. I don't know why. I'm just gonna shake it just cause I feel like I wanna shake it. Now, he says just spray it. Oh, it's way easier just to spray it. And also, the smell is amazing. So I'm just taking my brush and I'm just simply brushing it through just to make sure it's all evenly dispersed. And if you can't get some areas, just use your hand, just work the product through. I'm noticing my hair feels very smooth. Like it feels like it has some leave-in conditioner, which that's what it is, but it really just softened my hair up after just having it in my hair for like a minute. Like I can just really notice a huge difference already just using the product. Make sure you get the back of your hair because the back is important, but I really do feel like the yellowness has it's really cut it down a bit. I do have a 15% off coupon, Die Hard Barbie. You get 15% off your order. A lot of companies do not give that out. I have to tell you, okay? I have seen so many companies and they want to give like 5%, 3%. I've seen, like, what is 3%? Like 20 cents? There's no rush too. Like you're not on like some like crunch to get this product in and like worry or something. So don't feel that way. You can literally take your time with this product and brush it through to make sure you have a nice even coat. Feels so hydrated and soft. I already know this is gonna come out amazing. I can just tell. Come on guys. I started off with such brassy blonde hair and look at the transformation happening in front of your eyes. That is just, he knows what he's doing. This is going to be amazing to blow out. It's a really old-fashioned hair dryer, but it kind of means a lot to me. Like it has a dent there and everything, and it has, I don't know what the brand says. My mom bought it for me when I was a camp counselor. When I was a kid, like I think I was like 15 or something like that. And I was going away for a couple of months to do this job. And she's like, you don't have a hair dryer, Becca, you need one. So this is it. The cord here, it gets like, you gotta let it cool down a bit after you use it for like 10 minutes. It gets a bit hot. We're gonna blow dry my hair. You don't have to blow dry your hair. You can let it air dry if you want, or you can style your hair. For the sake of the video, I'm going to blow dry my hair just so that we can see the final result on how it looks and how it comes together. You're not gonna believe this. My hair dryer, after I was just talking about it, it's dead now. It literally doesn't work. I just tried to blow dry my hair, guys. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to the washroom and like round brush my hair. Like, look, this is the plug. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my gosh, it works! It turned on! I don't know what happened, but it was like smelling burnt. I should get a new one. Look at the shine in my hair. Oh my goodness. All I did was take my like garbage hair dryer with a round brush and I just rounded out my hair with a round brush. And look at the color. My hair looks amazing and look at that shine. Would never know that I just had the biggest bleach bath bleaching fail. This stuff is literally amazing. 10 out of 10. Die Hard Barbie loves it. Love it. My hair smells amazing as well. It smells like coconutty, like refreshing smell. It just smells amazing. My hair looks like I've never touched bleach in my life. Do you guys see the shine and the color? Honestly, I buy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe. Join the Bestie Club because we're always trying something new on my hair. We're trying new bleaches. We're trying new toners, shampoos, you name it, whatever. We're trying here on my channel, Die Hard Barbie. I'm surprised they still have hair after all these years, but actually I'm not surprised because we take such good care of our hair. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.